Hi and welcome to another Cable Ties and More video. In today's video, we will be highlighting our releasable nylon cable ties. Releasable ties are primarily designed for temporary applications where you require the fastening strength and usefulness of a cable tie with the added ability to remove and reuse them without having to replace multiple cable ties. Releasable cable ties are commonly used for temporary signage or event production purposes. These ties feature a trigger lock system that is easy to use. Simply press your finger on the trigger and pull the tie to release it from the mechanism. To lock the mechanism, just release your finger. These cable ties are made from a nylon 6/6 material, are RoHS compliant, CSA and UL certified, and our black ties are UV protected. Sizes available range from 6 inches to 14 inches in length and feature a 50-pound tensile strength. Colors available are natural and black. For more information, or if you have additional questions, please contact us at 1-877-284-7760, email us at info@cabletiesandmore.com, or visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth product videos and stay updated with our latest products.